Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Techy. In this video we are going to see how we can download and add copyright free outro for our YouTube channel. So let's start. Okay, hey man, the first step on this video is to download copyright free outro video for your YouTube channel. So let's move on to our mobile screen and see how exactly we can do that. Okay guys, I'm here on my mobile screen and I have opened the pixabay.com website here. This website provides you royalty free and copyright free images, videos, illustration, vector graphics and many more, which you can use in your YouTube videos for really free without any fear of copyright. So once you come here in the pixabay.com website, here search for the YouTube outro and select here videos, and you can see here after you search YouTube outro in the search bar, you can get here free, royalty free and copyright free YouTube outro videos. So you can just go to here and click whatever video you like and just download that particular video, clicking here on the free download option, and just click the download button here and it will start downloading your video. Guys, after you have successfully downloaded that outro video from pixabay.com website, then the next step is to add music on outro video and attach that outro video to your YouTube content. So again, let's see how we can do that. And guys, after you have downloaded that outro video from pixabay.com, then come here in the KineMaster app and create a new project of 16:9 ratio for your YouTube channel, and then just go to the download folder. After that, just add that video to your KineMaster timeline. And if you haven't downloaded the KineMaster app, then please go and download. Link is available in the description below. So now after you have added this video in your KineMaster timeline here, then it's time to add the music for your video. And for that, just go to the audio section here and scroll down to the any music you want to add to your outro video. So if you guys don't know how you can download copyright free music for your YouTube videos, then please watch my previous video on how to make intro for your YouTube channel. Then there I have gone in brief about how you can download copyright free music for your video as per the duration of video. For example, if your video is of 6 seconds, then you can just download the 6-second music by using search filter. So if you haven't watched that video about how to create an intro for your YouTube channel, then please I suggest you to go and watch that video. So back to the topic. So I have already downloaded one music here for my outro video. So I just click here and click on the plus icon here and add that music to my outro video. So I will cut this unnecessary part. To cut it, just go to the trim and split and cut it. And I will also cut this front unnecessary part. So after you have added the music to your outro video, then your outro video is ready to export. So just click here on the export button and just click on the export button here. Okay guys, after you have exported that outro video, then again come here in the KineMaster app and create a new project and click here on the media app and then just select the main content of your YouTube. Let's say this is your main content of your YouTube, and you can see here your content in the timeline. And to add outro in your video, just come to the end of your main YouTube content and again click the media here and then go to the export folder and select the outro video of your channel. and then here you can add some kind of transitions, like I will add from presentation splitting screens. And now you can see our video is ready and upload to the YouTube. While uploading it to the YouTube, you come here in the outro section and you can add the subscribe your channel icon here in the middle, and 2 videos or 1 video or playlist, anything in the side by side. So guys, as you have seen how easily we can download and add outro videos to our YouTube content. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe. It is just a 1 second work, and till then keep learning, keep growing.